Hi everyone, let's see how you can remove Copilot and AI features from Windows 11 in the most easiest way. To get started, simply open your browser and search for Windows 11 AI Remover GitHub. From the search results, go to this first web page, then scroll down the page. You'll get this option of Launch with UI. Simply copy the code clicking here. Now right click on Start Menu Windows icon and open Terminal as admin. Now simply right click here to paste the code and hit enter to execute it. Once executed, a dashboard will open up. Here you can see what are the features that will get removed or disabled. Simply check mark all the boxes. Now if you want to know in detail what are the things they are actually doing, simply click on this note of interrogation mark and read out here so that you are aware what are the changes it will bring to your laptop or PC. You can turn on the revert mode here, but make sure you are enabling the backup mode. Once enabled, click on apply. Simply give a name here and create a restore point so that you can revert back if any issue arises. Now wait for the removal process to complete. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes for the entire process. Once done, you'll get this notification. Simply click on yes and you're good to go. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.